Did you know stepping into bright sunlight can make your nose go totally haywire? It's all thanks to the Photic sneeze reflex, your eyes and nose playing a wild game of telephone. When intense light floods your retina, your optic nerve fires a misrouted signal. That jumpy message accidentally zaps your trigeminal nerve, and boom, you're sneezing. Up to 35% of us are sun sneezers, turning a sunny day into a full-on sneeze storm. No allergies, no pepper, just looking at the sun triggers this bizarre body glitch. Scientists still scratch their heads over why evolution gave us this epic light-induced party trick. Drop a in the comments if you've ever sneezed in sunshine.